Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get WhatsApp, CRM, and AI all in one platform. And this is exactly what B2C businesses actually need in 2026. We're going to jump right into it again. WhatsApp plus AI plus CRM, literally all in one. And really, you're missing out on a lot if you don't have all of these integrated. And WhatsApp conversations, they're really, really important. You might be able to make a lot of money, a lot of sales, a lot of networking, a lot of conversations that have to do with growing your business and making money. But unfortunately, conversations on WhatsApp are totally separate from your customer relationship manager, your CRM records, right? And customer information, it just gets scattered across different tools. And that's not good for your sales, right? We want to have all information at once. You're really missing out on a much better sales setup when you have WhatsApp and AI and CRM all integrated together. Because without it, you typically have sales reps manually updating CRM data, right? And you lose conversation context. It's not just as easy as copying and pasting, right? There's a lot of context in conversations that get lost, and leads get missed, or even worse, they get forgotten. And of course, this leads to lost sales opportunities and less revenue, less money in our pocket. That's why we care so much about this. And the real problem is that everything is disconnected. Conversations are disconnected from your sales team, your CRM. There's no AI involved here. And this is especially evident on WhatsApp. And teams that are handling lots of customer conversations, they face this problem every single day. Because when WhatsApp is disconnected from your CRM, your sales will suffer. You're going to make less money. And there's really no CRM for WhatsApp. It doesn't exist. But there are other things that kind of bridge the gap. Because you might have done this. A lot of businesses search for this, and I talk to a lot of businesses that look for things like WhatsApp CRM, a CRM for WhatsApp, a CRM with WhatsApp integrations. But the real problem is that CRMs aren't built to manage conversations, especially not with WhatsApp. Connecting the two directly often creates more complexity, right? We want to have them connected, but there's just really nothing that is built to do this, right? And what you actually need is a platform that sits between WhatsApp, your CRM, and AI, right? It combines all of them, and that's a conversation management platform. Because when WhatsApp is connected to your CRM, your sales are going to increase, right? So you don't need to look for a WhatsApp CRM. Instead, you want to look for a platform that can connect the two together, right? That's the real key. So what do you want to look for before choosing a platform? Well, these are the key features that you absolutely need. Number one, and I think this is the most important, you want official WhatsApp business API integration, right? We want it to be official. We want to have multiple CRM integrations. We, of course, want to leverage the power of AI with AI agents. We want to have a shared team inbox. We want workflow automations. Of course, we need reporting and analytics so we could always understand our numbers and our data. We want omni-channel support because we know that our customers are everywhere and we want to be able to reach them where they are. And last but certainly not least, we want security and compliance to make sure that all of our data is safe and all the things that are so important to our business are secure. And the best platforms don't just connect WhatsApp. They connect conversations, customer data, and automation. We're talking about omni-channel with different workflow automations and shared team inboxes and, of course, AI agents as well. This is Respond.io, and it's by far my top pick for omni-channel, CRM, and AI agents. It's an all-in-one platform, and it's my top pick for B2C businesses in 2026. And I'll tell you exactly what makes it stand out. They have the official WhatsApp Business API. Their CRM integrations into all the most popular CRMs like HubSpot and Salesforce, or a custom CRM. They have powerful and fully customizable AI agents, so you could have the full power of AI built right into the platform. There's also tons of workflow automations and ready-to-use templates, so you could jump in immediately. And there's really deep reporting and team analytics, so you'll always know your numbers and you'll be able to have all the reports that you need to understand what's working. The best part here is the omni-channel inbox, and it supports all of the channels that are so important to you, your customers, and your business. Of course, we have WhatsApp with that official WhatsApp Business API integration. There's also Instagram, Messenger, TikTok, email, website chat, and there's so many more features here that make Respond.io by far the #1 top pick for omnichannel CRM and AI agents. And instead of managing multiple disconnected tools, on Respond.io, everything happens in one place. This is how it works. You're going to connect WhatsApp and your CRM directly into Respond.io. You can connect things like HubSpot, Salesforce, or any other custom CRMs. You have your customer records. They get synced automatically, and all that contact information stays updated. So your sales reps can see CRM context inside of conversations. Then you'll be able to add AI agents where you could answer FAQs automatically. You can qualify leads. You could update CRM records, book appointments, route conversations, and you could even hand over complex cases to, human teams, live chat, real people. So the really cool thing about this is that it does everything with these AI agents that are going to save you tons and tons of time while kind of doing the things that you were probably already doing, like qualifying leads and updating records. Now we have AI integrated here as well. So here's a little example of how this would work. Like think about WhatsApp, CRM, and AI working together. You'd imagine you're on WhatsApp, customer sends a message, right? Immediately you have your AI agent respond and they qualify the lead, right? That's one of the things that I mentioned that your AI agent can do here. Your CRM is going to automatically update, right? That record is going to be updated with this information so far. And then you could either do something like book an appointment automatically or route it to the right team, right? Maybe the senior sales team or maybe the tech team, right? Or maybe you just want those appointments booked. All easy to do, and all, of course, leads to our #1 goal of making more sales. Right? We're never going to miss any sales. We're never going to misqualify people. We're never going to forget about our leads. We have it all done, all in one platform. So let's wrap it all up. Obviously, WhatsApp, that's where our customer conversations are happening. It's very, very important to our business. Doesn't matter really what we're selling. We need to be present and active on WhatsApp. And of course, our CRM is where all of our customer information lives, so super important. We know AI helps automate repetitive work and a lot of different tasks that are related to the sales process, like qualifying leads. And basically what we want here and what we have with Respond.io is a conversation management platform that connects all three. That's how modern B2C businesses connect. WhatsApp, CRM, and AI in 2026 without juggling multiple disconnected tools. That's why I highly recommend Respond.io. You see the link directly below this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to drop a comment directly below the video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them, but I know you're going to absolutely love Respond.io. Click that link below the video. Subscribe to my channel for more great e-com videos, and most importantly, I'll see ya in my next vidya.